Welcome to Love Chevy Spotlight. My name is Amber, and today I'll be showing you how to wirelessly charge your smartphone in your 2016 Chevrolet. Let's get started. To begin charging, make sure that your vehicle is turned on in accessory mode or using retained accessory power mode. Make sure that all metal objects are removed from the charging pad and simply place a compatible smartphone face up on the coil charging symbol. The position of the phone should be adjusted until the charging icon appears near the phone graphic on the home screen. If the charging icon does not appear on the screen, you may have to turn the device 180 degrees. Wireless charging for smartphones can reduce cable clutter and help keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. While this works for many phone models, your phone may be required to have a special certified charger adapter or a back cover. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook at Love Chevrolet, and follow us on Twitter at Love Chevy SC. Thank you for watching.